beautiful sunny day out there as we start down at the Preserve in Richmond. Cloudless skies for just about everybody, but it has been very cold. Temperatures struggling to get to the freezing mark this afternoon. New Bedford has hit it. Everybody else checking in a degree or so below it right now, and a little bit of wind, not a lot, not compared to yesterday certainly, but a little bit of that wind chill factor out there, and at times it has felt like the 20s this afternoon. Notice the winds. They go calm overnight. Clouds start to move in. Then the winds will shift out of the southeast, and that's going to start rising those temperatures because now you're talking about warmer air advecting in off the water. But it is still below freezing. Precipitation arrives tomorrow morning after sunup, and so it will begin as snow. But it's not going to be snow, say, more than about a 4-hour window, maybe a slight bit more for some further north. It will be less than that 4 hours for people closer to the shoreline. And watch the numbers here closely, and it will, for the most part, coincide with when you start to see that precip changing over. We're going to get a nice thump of snow here, 8, 9, 10 a.m., maybe into 11 a.m. the further east you are. But now we're starting to see those numbers creep above 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's our warm front right there, essentially. So you're going to get this messy mix of sleet, rain, just kind of a yuck storm out there. The snow will be nice. It'll start accumulating, especially on the grassier surfaces, the colder surfaces at first, but then it just turns into kind of a garbage storm here, and it's gone quickly. It's a fast-moving storm as well, but we should be done by about say 3 p.m. and that means we'll have a chance to see those roads improving as we head towards the p.m. commute. Skies will clear overnight. We've got a nice day coming up on Friday. Quiet weather into the start of the weekend. But we do have a fairly active jet stream continuing here and a pretty similar storm coming in on Saturday night, starting as snow and then as we go through the course of the night into Sunday morning, changing over to sleet and rain. Now, this one is a nocturnal storm, meaning it's happening solely or mostly at midnight or around the midnight, overnight period. And that means we're going to be dealing with some colder air. And so we have the opportunity for slightly higher snow amounts before we get that changeover to a mix or rain heading into early Sunday morning. So as of right now, I'm thinking about 2 to 4 inches is what we are going to expect for this storm. I see more of a chance to gravitate into that 3 to 5, closer to 6 range, more likely than dropping to that 1 to 2 range. But we're going to keep an eye on this one for you once we get done with tomorrow. And it doesn't stop there. We have a continued active jet next week. As I mentioned at the top, it's going to be colder as we head towards Valentine's Day and a good chunk of next week. So we will have opportunities for snow. We have identified the pattern. That's pretty much the range that we're in. But in the coming days, we are going to start looking at the trending up or trending down and taking it a little bit more seriously, but certainly the buzz is there. 16 degrees tonight. It's a cold night out there. We're going to see those temperatures rising, though, as we head towards tomorrow morning, and that will cause that change over from snow to sleet and rain. Friday, a nice day, high of 40, mostly sunny. Saturday, sun gives way to clouds late in the day, a high of 37, and then another messy storm as we head into Super Bowl Sunday, clearing out later in the day. Monday, mostly sunny. Notice, we're not back up to 40 this time. We are firmly colder in temperatures in the 30s for much of next week. And then we have some opportunities for more snow Tuesday into Wednesday. So snow lovers may get their wish sooner rather than later, Tiffany. They've been waiting a while.
Fingers crossed.